Jamaica, watch this.
Since Buju doing video, 20 hours. And you done the investigation already? And I accuse Buju Banton of being a liar? And we gone over 2 weeks and all now. Uno done assess Melissa damage and start get to the people them yet? But you do a thorough, full investigation in a 20 hours or less. And we should work with that. When all know over how much months you can't show your invoice for the big stinking tear up, dirty yellow fat up bus them where you take from America. You can't show not even one invoice of all the money spent. But you investigate Buju things they were missing in a less than 20 hours and come to the conclusion say Buju a liar. So this is a replay. When a man say Andrew Wellness got mother, less than 5 hours then find him, lock him up. But we can't find medic all now. We can't find the next girl they're missing. Them have phone and everything and you can't find them phone and you can't find them location, nothing. Now you're gonna tell me, say, you do a thorough investigation. But Buju things them were missing in a less than 20 hours. And come to the conclusion say Buju a liar and nothing never missing.